Assalamu alaikum. This is my first day on the work. So as you can see, I'm get ready. Now I'm going on the work. Before that, I want to show you something. Here you can see this is my bed and this is my room on the work. This room seems like this. Yeah, you can see clothes hanging on this wire. This is my idea. Yeah, by the way, I'm ready. Now I'm going and I had my breakfast. And you know what I had in my breakfast? I ate bananas. Yeah, I prefer light breakfast. So now this is the package of trash. I'll throw it into dustbin. And this is lock. I lock the door of the room. This is my phone. This is very important gadget. I always carry this gadget in my pocket. This is very significant for everyone because I'm accomplishing my half work through this phone. Here you go. Now lock the door. You can see I locked the door. Now I'm going and the dustbin is over there, as you can see, in blue color. I throw the trash into dustbin. Now let's go. I'm living in this compartment of the company. There are lots of rooms. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have cam on the work, as you can see behind me. So it's gonna be my first day on the work and I will explore everything on my work. You know, I'm here as a worker because I'm a worker. So don't worry guys, I would like to share with you some important information related to the company, that this company is located in the last part of Ahmedabad and the company's name is CIL Nova Petrochemicals Private Limited Company. Yeah, and so let's explore the company with myself. Now I'm finding what should I explore. Oh, you know, I wanna explore. He's my uncle working on this tower. You can see he's standing in the swing. You know, this is slash bar. And who made it? My team. Yeah, this is slash bar, but in the local language this is called tank. Yeah, this is called tank. And my team made it finally in 3 months. Yeah, you know what is this? This is gas holder. I'm gonna get on this gas holder and I'll explore what is inside this tank. Let's go. This is the ladder of this tank. Let's climb on this ladder and reach on our destination. So you can see it seems like this on the from the main view. Yeah, there is nothing special to show you. Let's go on another location. Okay, that is holding tank behind this last bar. Yeah, over there. Look at this over there. Look at my fingers direction. Yeah, that is holding tank. And you know, people has been working here since I don't know. Yeah, and you know our work gonna be end soon because our project gonna be complete soon, so we are gonna shift anywhere else. So it was my work. I don't want to show you more my work because it will make you bored. I have exhausted after explored my work. Now I'm drinking the water. This is my branded bottle. Bismillah. Wow, can I tell you the taste of water? The taste is amazing of water. It was my second sip and I drank water in 3 sips. That is the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I have come back from the work in the lunch. Right now I'm going to have my lunch because this time is for have lunch. As you can see, there are 2 types of vegetable in the lunch and some chapati. Yeah, Now I'm going to eat my lunch. After that, I'll go back on the work. Yeah. Let me finish my lunch. After that, I'll meet you. Right now, I'm going to wash my laundry because I don't have any washed clothes to wear. Therefore, I'm going to wash my laundry, and the faucet is in front of my room. There, you can see there. Yeah. So let's wash our laundry. Yeah. I have to do it by myself because there is no my family member here, so I'm doing everything by myself. Here is the washing powder. You know, I'm using someone else washing powder. I don't know who's this. And I rubbed my shirt, my pant, and I rubbed my pant and shirt. Now it's time to wash my underwear and socks. Let's rub them and hang on the wire in order to dry. The cloth has been washed and I laid them to dry on the wire. You can see there. This piece of orange is really sour. Aha. Bismillah. Oh my god. Very sour. You can't eat it. So it was my life on the work, and I do different things on the work, but I could not record because of some reason. So you can see how Indian boy live his life on his work. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, then subscribe, hit the bell icon and subscribe. Okay, bye.